What's up, guys? Chris Carpenter with Story Real Estate here in Moscow, Idaho. It is a beautiful Saturday morning in the middle of the summer for things to do in and around Moscow, Idaho. We're gonna go check out the farmers market. Three things you want to make sure not to miss when you come to the Moscow Farmers Market: local cherries, local honey, and Sister's cookies. Alright guys, we're gonna run around and ask a couple people what their favorite thing about the Moscow Farmers Market is. But first, let's start with Natalie and Becca.
I love the variety of performers. It's really fun to see the different singers, dancers, performance groups that are here at the market.
My favorite part is the location. So it's really close to downtown. You have Storm Cellar, but then you also have all of the tent shopping as well. I love to grab a coffee in the morning, walk down, and especially get succulents. I'm a sucker for plants.
My favorite thing is the food, hands down. You can come out of the farmers market 20 pounds heavier with a lot of really good things to eat.
The food. I love all the food, and my favorite is the pot stickers.
Thanks for joining us for another episode of Things to Do in and around Moscow, Idaho. We'll catch you on the next one.
For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And to see more of our stuff, visit our Instagram and our Facebook and our YouTube channel. Thanks, guys!